Welcome! In front of me I have iGPSport LW10 watch, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this device by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. So first thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch, probably. So to wake it up, press the crown button. And after you wake up the screen, you can press the crown button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and look for the settings icon. And once you find it, tap on it. In settings, look for the option called General. And once you find it, select it. And then scroll down, look for the option called Factory Reset. And after you find it, tap on it, of course. And then tap on the confirm to start the resetting process. Oh no, we need to confirm it once more. So tap on erase all and wait until the factory reset is complete. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.